Good morning, children. Lesson number 1 of algebra is linear equations in two variables. The weightage of the lesson is 12 marks. You have already studied in 9th standard linear equations in two variables. Let us revise. The basic thing is general form of linear equation in two variables. The general form given is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The conditions are a, b, c are real numbers. Second condition is a and b is not equal to 0. Why a and b is not equal to 0? Because if a becomes 0, then the first term will get removed and the equation will remain by plus c, which will be equation in one variable. Same thing happens if b becomes 0, the equation will remain ax plus c equal to 0, which will be equation in one variable. And we are learning equation in two variables. So the general form of the equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, in which a, b, c are the real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. Now, as already you have studied in 9th standard how to solve this linear equations, let us revise it through exercise 1.1, practice set 1.1. In practice set 1.1, the sums which are given, which are based on elimination method, which you have already studied in 9th standard. Question number 1 they have given in the form of activity. We will solve the sum and then you can feel the activity. Okay, the sum for first question, that is complete the activity, is 5x plus 3y equal to 9. They have given it as equation 1. Then 2x plus 3y equal to 12. This will be equation 2. They have given it in this form. Once you have given equation numbers, then second step you are going to observe the terms. When you observe both the equations, you will come to know that the term having variable y have same coefficient, that is 3. So it is easy to cancel the term with variable y. Now to cancel we have to observe the signs also. Here is plus, here is also plus. Both the 3y terms have plus sign. So for cancellation of 3y we have to do subtraction. So I will write equation 1 minus equation 2. I will do subtraction. 5x plus 3y equal to 9. Then 2x plus 3y equal to 12. For subtraction, write both the equations one down the other again. Then as I am doing subtraction, I have written here minus sign. Then the step is the second equation, we are going to change the signs. This become minus, this become minus, this will also become minus. Because of this minus sign, the term 3y get cancelled. 5x minus 2x will become 3x and 9 minus 12 will become minus 3. Now x is equal to minus 3 upon 3, x is equal to minus 1. Value of one variable we got in this way. Once you got value of one variable, substitute that value in any of the equation which you feel easy. You can substitute it in equation 1 or you can substitute it in equation 2 according to your wish. So I will substitute the value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x plus 3y equal to 9. Value of x is -1. So in place of x, I will write -1. I got here -5 plus 3y equal to 9. 3y equal to this -5 will become plus when we shift it on right side. 3y equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 upon 3. So the solution of the equation is solution of the equation x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 14 by 3. In this way, you can solve the equations. So first step, you are going to observe the term with equal coefficient. Once you got that, then you have to observe the signs. If the signs are same, you are doing subtraction. If the signs are opposite, you are going to do addition for cancellation of the term. Once one term get cancelled, you will get value of one variable. Whichever value you got, substitute that value in any of the equation, you will get the value of other variable. In this way, the sum will get solved. This is the first question for practice set 1.1. Second question, they have given various types of sums. You are going to solve the sums by using the method elimination only. So let us start with question number 2. Question number 2, the first sum is given to be again the sum of the same type. Question number 2, sum number 1, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. The equations are given in this way. First of all, you have to observe that both the variables should be on one side and the constant term will be on the other side. If it is not so, do it and then give the numbers. Here already a and b is on one side and 26 on the other side. Same thing is for equation 2 also. So if the equations are given in a proper form, no issues. If it is not, then you do it and then give the equation number. Here 3a plus 5b equal to 26 will be my equation number 1. A plus 5b equal to 22 will be my equation number 2. Once you have given the equation number, observe it and find out which term has equal coefficient. Same like previous, here also term B have equal coefficient, that is 5, 5. Then we have to observe the sign. Here both the term have again positive sign. So as the signs are same, we are selecting subtraction as the operation. So I will write equation 1 minus equation 2. 3a plus 5b equal to 26. A plus 5b equal to 22. Write both the equations one down the other. We are doing subtraction, so minus sign. Then change of sign as usual. So a will become minus here. 5b also become minus. 22 also become minus. 5b get cancelled because of now opposite sign. 3a minus a will be 2a and 26 minus 22 will be 4. A is equal to 4 upon 2. A equal to 2. We got value of one variable. Now once we got value of one variable, the next step is substituting that value in any of the equation. Now I will substitute this value in equation number 2. So I will write here substituting value of A in equation 2. You can substitute in 1 also. Any equation you can substitute, the answer is going to come same. So that will not have any issue. Whichever equation you feel easy, in that equation you substitute the value to avoid mistakes. A plus 5b is equal to 22. A is 2 here. I will write 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. This 2 become minus when it shift on right side. 5a is equal to 20. A is equal to 20 upon 5. A is equal to 4. Sorry, B is equal to 4. So in this way, we got value of second variable also. So you are going to write the solution of the equation A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. This way, your sum number 1 from question number 2, you will get the answer as A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Write in proper way, as I have done the mistake here. Don't do properly. Keep your concentration while solving the sums.